Hello guys, my name is Zivoxa, and today in this tutorial we'll be making a Garry's Mod server. My throat is very dry, so sorry if my voice sounds weird or anything. Okay, so first off, download the file in the server, or download the files in the description below. Once you downloaded those, just drag them onto your desktop. God, I am spacing out so much today. Okay, once you've done that, you want to get the HLDS update tool. To do that, go to SteamPower.com. Once you are there, you want to click About, Install Steam Now. Or, no, don't click that, because you probably already have it, assuming you have Garry's Mod. Once you've done that, click Tools, or go to the bottom of the page, click Tools, Windows HLDS Update Tool. Save. Open it up, run, close out those windows. Next, I agree, and then have this path, C:/HLDS. Once you've done that, install it, choose your place, your location. Next, uncheck that, or you can read it, it's up to you, doesn't matter to me. Okay, once we're done with that, open the folder that you downloaded with the files. Copy the update.bat, or the update. Go to your computer, C drive, HLDS, copy that in here. Now, it says I have one, but that's because I messed up in the last tutorial. This is like the 20th time I've done this tutorial, and it keeps messing up on me. So, paste that in there. Once it's done, run it, and then it should go through a long process that should take a half an hour to an hour. Now, I've cancelled it because, as you see, I already have it installed. Once everything is installed, go to Gmod server, orange box, Garry's Mod, CGF, and then drag your server CGF into there, or copy, it doesn't matter. Once that is done, you can open this with Notepad and set the limits of stuff in your server. Now you can you leave this blank if you don't want a password or locked server. If you want a locked server, type in a password, as in password, and then save it. That's if you want a password. Leave this blank like that if you don't want a password. Okay. Now we're going to go to Orange Box, create a shortcut, and then go to, create a shortcut, as I said. Go to Properties, go to Target, put a space after what's already typed in, type dash game Garry's Mod, just like that. Apply. Okay. Exit this out. Now we need a port forward. You want to open up your browser. Now, there's many different ways to access all different kinds of routers and brand name routers. Mine is a Cisco. So, I don't know if it's the same thing for every Cisco router, but for me to enter, or me to get to my router setting, and then type in 192.168.1 or 0.0.1, just like that. It'll ask me for my username and password. Click accept. Now, once we've done that, got applications and gaming. Okay, or you probably won't have, I spaced out right there, you probably won't have applications of gaming. Just go to port forwarding or single port forwarding, doesn't matter. And then name it something. And I would suggest using 1337 for both numbers. And then put the protocol at both to get your IP address right here. Now this ain't your local, this is like your, I don't know how you'd say, your router IP, I think. I'm not so great with that kind of stuff, but I think that's what it is. To get that, you want to go to CMD in your start button, type in apconfig. Now you want to, once all this stuff is popped up, scroll up to the top, copy the last 3 digits of IPv4 address. Once you've copied those 3, put them into there, enable, and save settings. Once that is done, you can exit out that. Then you can go back to your Garry's mod server directory, which is right here, orange box, and then you want to click, you can rename this too, by the way. You can rename it to whatever, start server or something like that. Garry's mod server. You can click that, type in the port you forwarded, max players, leave that on internet, choose your map, name your server something, this will be your server name. I don't even know if I spelled or if I'm not so great with grammar. Sorry if I typed that wrong. Just type in your name, type in your Archon password, and I could go into full depth of what an Archon password does, but just for your sake, go look it up on facepunch.com or just search it in Google. You'll need the Archon password. Now your Archon password it's not the same thing as a server password. It will not lock your lobby or anything, and you do need to type one in, and it does need to only be kept to yourself and yourself only, no one else, because you type that in the console and the server identifies you as the admin, and then you have basically administrative rights to the server, and you can do what admins can do in servers. There is a way to where you can join your server, and it'll automatically, without you typing in the Archon password, it'll automatically detect you're the owner. But because there's a certain way of doing that. You can also, or you can Google that, or you can give me 20 likes and I can make a short measly tutorial on how to do that. But I suggest you Google it, because I don't think you guys want to watch a minute tutorial me just blabbering on how to do that. So thanks for watching, comment and rate, and if you have any problems, again, comment. Thank you for watching, or yeah, have a nice day, bye.